Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing really very well. This video is all about how I prepare my seedlings for maximum flowers. To get lots of flowers on our plants, they should be healthy, and for that it's extremely important to care for them properly at early time. That means just after transplanting, you should be really careful about all the things that you do as a care. So let me show you what I do and how I do it. Please note that you are going to see many updates in the same video, and so let's begin it from the very starting point. So the very first important thing is you need to transplant your seedlings at the right time. Please don't wait too much or else they are not going to be the healthy plants. We can transplant any seedlings as soon as we see first 3 to 4 true leaves on our seedlings. The very first two leaves that we see on any seedlings are not the true leaves, and those are known as seed leaves. At the time of transplanting any seedlings, it's better if you can do it evening or even night time. However, I myself need to do it during the daytime since I need to record everything. Just after transplanting, please water slightly and then keep the pot in bright area for next few days, let's say 2 to 3 days, and then only keep the pot under direct sunlight. So we are done till transplanting. Now let me show you the next important things. After transplanting, when we should water for the second time, please note that it's always a good idea to water your seedlings as soon as we see that first topsoil is looking somewhat dry. Please don't water unnecessarily at this stage, because if you do, they are simply going to die. At early stage, I also use a water can so that force of water is not going to trouble my plants. Right here you can see all of my plants, and I grew all of them from the seeds. They were really very small at the time of transplanting, and you can see now they are growing really very well. Now let's talk about when we should fertilize for the first time. You can apply the first dose of fertilizers just after 30 days from transplanting. You can fertilize your plants either organic way or chemical way. For example, here you can see I am applying the mustard cake fertilizers and bone meal. You can also apply DAP or even NPK. Just remember that you need to fertilize them within 30 to 40 days from transplanting. I also apply Epsom salt and other micronutrients on regular basis, and let me show you how I do that. I take 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt, then 3 ml of Sado. This actually contains the amino acid, and instead of this one you can also apply other micronutrients that are available in market. And then finally I am adding here 3 ml of one wetting agent. So basically what it does is it just help in spreading all the fertilizers that we are going to spray on the leaves. Mix everything well in 1 liter water and then spray on the leaves, and you can repeat the same procedure once in 25 to 30 days. So guys, these are the things that I usually do to get healthy plants and more flowers. I would like to inform you one very important thing. See, to get lots of flowers in one plant, we also need to do some other things, and that actually depends on the plants we are growing. For example, we may need to do some other things to get lots of flowers on Gerbera, and same may not be the same with petunia or even chrysanthemum or marigold. So I would recommend you to watch those individual videos. I already have many such videos, and I am also working on many more. Very soon I am going to upload all of them. There are two more important things that you need to do properly. The first one is sunlight. See, most of the plants need direct sunlight, and that's why please try to provide them minimum 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Also please note that not all the flowers need direct sunlight. The second important thing is proper watering. For most of the winter flowering plants, it's safe to say that we should water them when we see that topsoil is looking dry. Please don't water your plants unnecessarily. I am saying this because I know that many people simply keep watering their plants even though the soil is absolutely wet. So please don't do that. They don't need that much water, and before watering, always wait and let the topsoil dry out. To get healthy plants, it's also important to use the best potting soil mix. I already have one video for that, and in that video I have shown many different ways to prepare the soil mix. So I am not going to repeat the same thing in this video, and you can watch that one simply clicking on the I button on top right corner, or you are also going to find the link to that video at the end of this one. I am hoping that this year I will be able to show you lots of flowers. As I can see, they are producing the buds, and so far all the plants are looking good. For example, these are all of my dahlias, and you can see they are producing lots of buds. I just thought to share whatever I did with my plants so that you can also do the same thing and enjoy lots of flowers in your garden. So guys, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask me, and thank you so much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.